Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Na na na. Na na na. Morning breeze I whisper truth, carry hope for every youth. Drums a beat like ancient call, lift the spirit, stand up tall. Me walk through lane where shadows dwell, hear the people's stories tell. But deep inside a brighter flame, keep the soul from fall to shame. Every step I build me mind, strength in places where hard to find. Harmony rise in every sound, push me forward, hold me ground. Storm a come but me still hold firm. Life a school and we all must learn. When the burden heavy on me back, me push ahead, no time for slack. Voices joining, unity strong, turn the struggle into song. Hope I grow with steady pace, light a shining every face. Heads rising at the heartbeat, rise again. Feel the rhythm flow through every vein. Lift the spirit, chase away the night. Hold the faith and step into the light. Rising at the heartbeat, never fall. One vibration for one and all. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Me hear the elders reason wise, say strength is born when courage rise. Me hold them words like sacred fire, burn the doubt, lift me higher. Forward ever, truth me guide. Hope I dwell deep inside. Every breath a healing start, warm the coldest part. Crowd a gather, drum a beat, joy return in every street. Voices blending, melody pure, bring the healing where we endure. Feet a move and hands a sway, music blaze the worry away. Harmony in every tone, lift the massive as one throne. No division, no despair, peace a flow through every prayer. Hand in hand we stronger be, unity unlock the key. Time for build and time for grow, love a lead the way we go. Yet, rising at the heartbeat, rise again. Feel the rhythm flow through every vein. Lift the spirit, chase away the night. Hold the faith and step into the light. Rising at the heartbeat, never fall. One vibration for one and all. Rise up higher, shine so bright. Spread the blessing through the night. So when the journey feel too long, hold the power of your song. Beat the drum and keep it true. Better days are go come for you. Rising at the heartbeat still. Follow hope and follow will. Na na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Boy. Oh ah. Oh ah. Oh ah. morning rise pon the hill. Heartbeat steady like a drum, guiding me still. Me walk through valley of noise and doubt, but my spirit never fade out. People talk but truth stays strong like roots we grow deep all along. Every corner hold a lesson to learn, every struggle build a fire we burn. Me keep my mind clean, keep my soul free, cause freedom starts inside of we. River of freedom flow through the land, lift every heart, hold every hand. Wash off the worry, wash off the pain, bring back sunshine after the rain. Me hear the elder voice whisper wise, say blessings fall where good vibes rise. So me follow that path, humble and sure, knowing what simple love can cure. Big city or small town lane, people all cry for the same sweet gain. Unity strong when the heart stay true. Better tomorrow start with you. No chains, no fear, only elevation. Rise up strong like a healing nation. Let the good energy circulate, turn every burden into something great. River of freedom flow through the land, lift every heart, hold every hand. Wash off the worry, wash off the pain, bring back sunshine after the rain. After the rain. After the rain. River of freedom, lift every heart too. Wash off the worry, freedom got sunshine. Sunshine peek through the old oak tree, nature whisper melodies to me. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Me step with confidence through life's wild ride, hope and patience by my side. Every setback shape me more, me rise again stronger than before. Some chase glitter, some chase fame, but me chase peace, not spotlight name. Simple life, pure intention stay, that carry me through night and day. Roots of gold, deep in the ground, hold me steady when storms come round. Blessings grow in the heart so kind, riches born in a humble mind. Me see the youth searching for guide, trying to find their inner stride. Me show them love, show them respect, cause every soul deserve protect. Old songs echo through the breeze, carry healing like sweet melodies. Where the heart pure, the spirit rise, burnt in hope like a river flow. One breath, one beat, one vibration, building up a peaceful nation. Roots of gold, deep in the ground. Hold me steady when storms come around. Blessings grow in the heart so kind. Riches born in a humble mind. Shine them bright, shine them true. Golden roots inside of you. So me hold on to the love me feel, cause that are the strongest shield. Roots of gold forever stay, guiding me through every day. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Na 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 Zion Raga. Another day of work begun. Me feel the rhythm in the breeze. Jah whisper through the trees. From the dust to the dawn, me trod again. With heart so pure and mind so plain. Roots of tomorrow grow from today. Righteousness lead the way. My father tell me long ago, plant love wherever you go. So me dig the earth, me plant the seed of unity, not of greed. Them try confuse we with vanity, but truth still set we free. Me chant a psalm for the weary soul. Jah light make we whole. The youth them need a voice of God. No Babylon like can divide. Me tell them hold on, keep the faith. Better they come, no too late. Me see them fighting for them bread. Me see the hunger still spread. But me also see them hearts so brave. Jah children rise from grave. Roots of tomorrow grow today.
Jah lead we on the way.
No matter storm or wind that blow, the righteous seed still grow. Roots of tomorrow stand up strong.
We sing redemption song.
Every man and woman know truth forever flow. Yeah. Me see the Babylon lights flash bright, but them can't hide the night. Me know the mission, me know the code. Rasta trod pan Zion road. Me carry wisdom of me king. Strength come from deep within. Me hold the fire in my chest. Jah give me rest. Elders did deny a bingy drum. Chant till the kingdom come. Children dance, women sing. Joy like the bird pan wing. Me see the roots spread far and wide. Love are the only guide. No man higher than Jah plan. We all one under sun. Me no worry, me no fear. Jah presence always near. The style me till the song me sing. Freedom in everything. No more hate, no more lie. Rasta spirit never die. Me plant the peace and water grace. Hope bloom in every place. Roots of tomorrow grow today.
Jah lead we on the way.
No matter storm or wind that blow, the righteous seed still grow. Roots of tomorrow stand up strong.
We sing redemption song.
Every man and woman know truth forever flow. Yeah. Roots of tomorrow, hear me say, rise like the morning ray. No shadow can block the shine. Jah timing always divine. All the faith my people true. Light out the path for me and you. Me lay me head on the ground, hear the heartbeat sound. Roots of tomorrow start today. Rasta show the way.
Na na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Na na na. Cool wind roll from the mountain top. Bring a calm, me never want to stop. Me climb each step with steady pace. Truth like a lantern light me space. Every height reveal a new view. Show me lessons me never knew. Voices echo from far below, but me heart know where to go. Me follow the rhythm of me own drum, knowing me strength yet to come. Mountain spirit rise, lift me high, carry me voice straight to the sky. Let me stand tall, firm and free. Show the world where me born to be. Cloud shift slow like ancient song. Remind me where me truly belong. Nature speak with a subtle tone, saying you strong, you never alone. Me see villages down below. People fight, but still they grow. Hope like water reach every hand, spreading life across the land. Me no fear no storm that rise. Me got courage in me eyes. Every mountain teach humility. Every climb strength and unity. Mountain spirit rise, lift me high, carry me voice straight to the sky. Let me stand tall, firm and free. Show the world where me born to be. Let the echoes travel far, shining like a guiding star. So me step off with peaceful mind, leaving heavy thoughts behind. Mountain spirit ever near, lead me forward without fear.
Na na na. Na na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Me touch the ground and feel the beat. Drum of life beneath me feet. Wind whisper story long before, of elders who opened the door. Me feel the rhythm deep in bone. Roots call me home. Me see the youth lost in a screen. Forget where culture mean, but me still chant ancient song. Keep the roots strong. Jah message no fade. It build like shade. Every tree from seed it grow. Truth we know. Them push the plastic and the lie, but nature never die. Me see the river still flow pure. That me cure. Them concrete cover the land, but just the land. Roots deeper than them plan. Forever man. Whoa, whoa. Roots never die. Them live inside. inside. Roots never die, them guide the way. Night or day, me dig me healing sacred soil. Reap me tile, me no need no fancy chain. Me wearing roots whisper wisdom low, just spirit glow. Every chant me send afar, shine like star. Me see the lion in a me dream, hear him scream. Guard the roots and guard the youth, speak truth. Me wake and write me song, keep it long. Roots vibration never cease, bring peace from the mountain to the sea. Just set we free, no matter how Babylon try, them can't deny. Roots live on in every heart, sacred art. Whoa, 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 whoa. Roots never die, them live inside. Stand firm, hold the tide. Roots never die, them guide the way. Night or day, whoa, whoa. Roots never die, them chant again. True joy, true pain. Roots never die, me soul belong. Eternal song. So when the time seem rough and dry, whoa, look to the sky. Whoa, roots never die, just grow again. Jah remain, Jah remain, Jah remain. Whoa, 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 whoa. Golden trail beneath my feet, morning air so fresh, so sweet. Me step with purpose, eyes ahead, follow where the spirit led. Me walk the path of dusty stone, never truly feel alone. A gentle hum fill up the air, like ancient chorus floating there. Me hum along with steady breath, life itself defeat me death. Every moment paint a sign, point me to a truth divine. A traveler sit beneath a tree, sketching visions wild and free. He show me portraits of the land, drawn with strong and steady hand. He say every path reveal a clue, lead you deeper into you. Me nod and share a humble smile, reason with him for a while. Songs of the radiant path sound bright, guide we through the darkest night. Every step a sacred tune, glow beneath the rising moon. Songs uplifting heart and mind, lead we where the stars align. Walk with courage, walk with grace, find your rhythm, find your place. Me trod until the noon get high, sunbeams sparkle through the sky. A village rest along the road, people carrying gentle load. Them greet me warm, invite me near, share a melody sincere. We sing together joyful strong, blend the day with healing song. As dusk descend with purple haze, me mind drift off in quiet praise. The path ahead still long and wide, but me feel a peace inside. Lanterns like the winding lane, ease the body, soothe the brain. Me know me journey far from done, still every step bring rising sun. Hold the rhythm as you go, let the radiant wisdom flow. Every step a chance to rise, every breath a new sunrise. Songs of the radiant path sound bright, guide we through the darkest night. Every step a sacred tune, glow beneath the rising doubts cloud up your way, sing your song and light your day. The radiant path will show you through. Every note belongs to you. Morning fog around the hilltop slow. Bird song scatter like a gentle glow. Me breathing deep the rising day. Let nature guide me onward way. Me climb a path with twist and wind, feeling peace inside my mind. Every leaf tell its own tale, soft like breeze, strong like air. Me hear a distant drum beat low, calling hearts for rise and grow. The hillside speaking tone so clear, tell me live true, have no fear. A farmer working in the heat, planting seeds with patient feet. He greet me with a humble smile, say good things always take a while. Me watch him nurture earth with care, love and labor everywhere. His wisdom simple built on years, calm me doubts and hush me fears. Whispers of the hills call strong, teach the spirit right from wrong. Lift we higher every day, show the mind a brighter way. Whispers rising soft and bold, guide the young and bless the old. Carry truth through distant skies, open hearts and clear the eyes. Me sit upon a rock to rest, sunshine pouring like a blessing pressed. Children run and chase the breeze, laughing loud beneath the trees. Me feel the joy surround the land, simple moments heal we hand in hand. Me close my eyes and feel the beat, earth beneath me steady feet. When sunset paint the sky in gold, stories of the day unfold. Villagers share tunes by firelight, singing soft into the night. The harmony soothe every mind, leave every trouble far behind. Me let the warmth calm every thought, and give thanks for lessons life has taught. Rise up slow, rise up free, let your heart move naturally. Hold the peace you find today, carry it along your way. Oh, whispers of the hills call strong, teach the spirit right from wrong. Lift we higher every day, show the mind a brighter way. Whispers rising soft and bold, guide the young and bless the old. Carry truth through distant skies, open hearts and clear the eyes. So when your mind get lost or still, listen gentle to the hill. Every whisper hold a guide, walk with courage by its side.
Ay, 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 ganja and Zion reggae, yeah, man. When the morning sky turn gold, crown of light Jahan unfold.
upon the mountain crest. Give the weary soul a rest. Every color in the sky, speak the truth that never die. Glory shining bright and new. Crown of morning light break through. No more sorrow, no more change. Morning crown erase the pain. Traveler weary find his way, guided by the break of day. Shadow vanish, night is gone. Crown of light still shining on. Every tear dry from the face. Morning crown restore the grace. Every step a holy song. Light of Jah will keep them strong. Stone of Babylon start to fall. Morning crown redeem them all. River shine with golden flame. Birds of Zion call Jah name. City wall no longer high. Morning crown uplift the sky. Soldier lay the weapon down. Rise instead fi wear the crown. Glorious fire pure and bright. Crown of Jah a guiding light. Trumpet sound across the land. Morning crown by Jah hand. Generation standing up. Morning crown fulfill the law. From the elder to the youth. Crown of light reveal the truth. No corruption, no disguise. Morning crown before the eyes. Justice flowing, mercy sing. Morning light crown Jah King. Everlasting, bold and true. Morning crown for me and you. When the evening come again, morning crown remain the same. Light eternal never fade. By Jah power it was made. Every nation bow and see. Morning crown of victory. Earth rejoicing, sky proclaim. Crown of light exalt Jah name. New creation dawn so near. Morning crown forever here. Shine, shine, morning flame. Crown of glory Jah name. Rise, rise, break the night. Morning crown bring the light. Glow, glow, never cease. Crown of light, declare the peace. A crown of morning light, bold and true. Guide the people, carry through. Never fading, never fall. Crown of light, bless them all. Forever glowing, pure and bright. Crown of Zion, morning light. On the mountain, in the plain. Morning crown forever real. Shine, 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 and meditate on the river Yama. Me look up and see Jah sign. Fire blaze, spirit divine. Thunder roll and lightning sing. Truth come with everything. Me walk through the fire unafraid. Jah shield never fade. Babylon crumble, lights fall down. Truth wear the crown. Me chant for mercy, chant for grace. See Jah light in every face. The wind carry message wide. Rasta guide. Me see the elders tell the youth, hold fast to Jah truth. No riches, fame or vanity can touch Jah family. Me stand firm on holy ground. Me spirit profound. The thunder voice me call one love for all. burn away the light. Fire in the sky. Me see the people wake again. Love replace the pain. Me feel the power, me feel the song. Justice come all along. Me chant for freedom, chant for life. End our strife. Me watch the sunrise paint the sea. Peace around me naturally. Me hold the chalice, me give thanks. Jah fill me spiritual tanks. Me see the prophecy come true. Jah live in me and you. Me no bow, me no kneel. Jah fire me shield. Me walk through the flame and call Jah name. We are under the sky. Jah light never die. One flame, one soul, one rise. Truth open all eyes. Burn away the light. Fire in the sky. So when the night come down, lift your eyes from ground. Jah flame forever high. Fire in the sky. We ain't under the sky. We ain't under the sky.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na. Sunshine drip up on the ground. Life awake in every sound. Me stretch me limbs with gentle ease. Breathe the wisdom of the trees. Me stroll into a garden wide. Color bloom on every side. Each flower tell a sacred tale. Both storms survived and winds that wail. Me kneel and touch the fertile soil. Feel the history of tile. People plant with love and care. Legacy living everywhere. Me meet a youth watering vines. A bright ambition in his lines. He tell me dreams fit grow and rise. Reach the mountain, kiss the skies. Me tell him tend your inner seed. Feed it passion, strength and greed. His eyes light up with fierce delight. Ready for chase the morning light. Garden of rising roots stand tall. Grow through struggle, conquer all. Every stem and every leaf. Teach with power, teach with grief. Garden blooming, bold and free. Birth a future we long to see. Rise as roots beneath the sun. Stand united, stand as one. Me pause near trees so old and wide. Their shadows cool and dignified. Them branches hold these songs of time. Echo deep like ancient rhyme. Birds them weave a vibrant tune. Lift the spirit afternoon. Me feel the rhythm fill me chest. Nature giving all its best. Evening glow paint soft design. Gold and amber intertwine. Workers gather, share delight. Reason about the day and night. Me sit and soak the honest air. Blessed for witness love so rare. Roots of unity spread and climb. Link each person through all time. Nurture what you wish to grow. Give it sunshine, let it flow. Every root hold future bright. Deep beneath the earth's insight. Garden of rising roots stand tall. Grow through struggle, conquer all. Every stem and every it stand as one. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. And when life feel torn or mute, return again to rising root. There you'll find renewed embrace, strength to carry every pace.
Na 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 na. Zion reggae, yeah man. Shine so bright it blind the night. Light of Zion, pure and right. No lamp of man, no sun can show. Like the light, Jah let it glow. It pierced the dark, it healed the blind. It lift the heart, it free the mind. Forever burning, never gone. Light of Zion, shining strong. Light of Zion, bright and true. Shine on me and shine on you. Guide the people, guide the way. Light of Jah, forever stay. It shine upon the righteous path, keep them safe from wicked wrath. It blaze the trail, it mark the road. Light of Zion, ease the load. No shadow stand, no fear remain. Light of Zion, heal the pain. It shine from root, it shine from crown. Lift the weary who are down. It glow in temple, glow in street. It light the song with holy beat. It show the truth, it show the lie. Light of Zion, never die. Every spark a promise made, every shine a prayer said. It bless the weak, it guard the strong. Light of Zion, lead along. Me see it in the morning sun, me see it when the day is done. It guide me dream, it keep me near. Light of Zion, banish fear. It wrap the world in golden flame. It call the people, Jah true name. Every soul it shine upon. Light of Zion, carry on. When the trumpet sound in sky, light of Zion never die. It burn forever, bright and clear. Keep the faithful always near. From dawn of time to final day, light of Jah forever stay. Shine eternal, shine divine. Light of Zion, always mine. Shine bright, shine tall. Light of Zion, bless us all. No cloud, no storm can dim the flame. Light of Jah, forever same. Light of Zion, bright and true.
is so high, yeah, man. When the thunder roll across the plain, Babylon tremble in the rain. Lightning strike the iron wall, thunder sound the righteous call. No more crown upon false head, no more system feeding dread. People gather, voices rise, thunder open blinded eyes. Soldiers march but heart is weak, thunder make the silence speak. Ancient drumming rhythm strong, carry justice all along. Chain them break with mighty roar, thunder shake the city core. Fire flash, truth revealed, Babylon kingdom now unsealed. Hear the trumpet, hear the cry, Babylon to war start to die. Thunder roll across the sea, calling out to set them free. Every elder lift a hand, see the judgment flood the land. Lightning paint the sky so wide, Zion people stand with pride. Not by anger, not by sword, thunder bring the living word. Mighty sound of Jah get clear, freedom rising everywhere. Nation bow, nation sing, thunder call for righteous king. Babylon wall fall to dust, thunder teach them truth and trust. Roll, roll, thunder cry, shake the earth, split the sky. Fall, fall, kingdom wall, thunder sound for one and all. Thunder over Babylon, break the chain, wash away the bloody stain. Truth come down like heavy rain, thunder call again, again. Forever roaring, mighty strong, thunder sing Jah holy song. La 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 la.
Aye, aye, aye. Jah bless the people, man. Heart of a lion beat inside, no fear, no pride. Me hear the drum of truth start roll, echo through me soul. Me stand against Babylon wall, still me not fall. Them spread fear, them spread lies, but me see through them disguise. Jah give me strength to carry on till the morning sun. Me hear the people call for change, voices strong and strange. Me see the children dance again, wash away the pain. Heartbeat steady like a drum, Jah kingdom come. Lion heart beat, strong and pure, love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear, Jah always near. Lion heart beat, never slow, keep the righteous flow. Every step me take me see, Jah live in me. Me walk through the shadow place, still me see Jah face. No weapon formed against me stand, protected by Jah hand. Me hold my faith when night fall, hear Jah call. Me feel the beat within the ground, ancient holy sound. It guide me back to who me be. Spirit set me free. Lion heart no bend, no break. Love awake, courage come from deep inside. Truth can't hide. When the world turn Jah love enough. Yeah, him lion heartbeat, strong and pure. Love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear. Jah always near. Lion heartbeat, never slow. Keep the righteous flow. Every step me take, me see Jah live in me. Lion heartbeat till the end. Love me defend. Me soul roaring Zion song, forever strong.
Zion a go, Zion yeah. Kingston, skunk smoke. Yeah man. From the mountain peak, me hear the call. Lion of Zion, me stand up tall. Jah words are me shield, me nah go fall. Truth and wisdom, them conquer all. Inna the streets, where the struggle real. Babylon system not care how we feel, but Jah light shine bright, it a strong appeal. Faith inna me heart, Jah love me seal. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Them can't stop the fire where Jah ignite. Me walk through the darkness with holy light. Rasta chant loud, them can't silence the fight. Freedom for the people, we claim our right. Babylon walls tumble, them can't withstand the power of the Lion, the Almighty hand. Roots and culture strong, me nah shift the plan. Unity and love, the Rasta brand. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Jah me give thanks for the blessings received. Inna this life, me nah feel deceived. With the high grade smoke, me lungs relieved. Babylon nah stop with that, them misperceived. Rasta chant rise, them can't ignore. The lion a roar, hear it from shore to shore. Jah power infinite, it can restore. Inna the love and light, we forever explore. Rise up youth man, the time is now. The system a crumble, them can't stop how. The lion a lead, make Jah love show. With the herb and the rhythm, the vibes just flow. One world, one people, Jah plan divine. Herb body healer, make the soul align. Chant down Babylon, step out a line. Jah lion in a we, make the spirit shine. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Light up the fire, make the lion roar. Rasta vibes spread from shore to shore. With Jah inna me heart, me can't ignore. The call of Zion, me chant for more. Herb inna the ear, the love supreme. Rasta vision clear, it a living dream. Jah bless the journey, the vibe serene. Forever lion strong, we keep it clean.
Na Zion reggae, yeah man. Ooh, oh, Before the daylight come alive, me feel just spirit revive. Me plant me seed in holy ground. Hear the ancient sound. Every root reach far below. Truth begin to grow. Me see the world chase vanity, blind for reality. But the roots know where them stand. Deep inside your hand, me feel the pulse under the clay. Tell me everything okay. Nature
so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let your power flow. Me feel the sunrise on me face. Your love fill the place. Every color in the sky. Whisper Jah reply. Me chant up psalm for healing sound. Bless the holy ground. Roots connect the past to now. Show me how. Them try to cut the roots away, but Jah earth's not decay. Me see the vine grow back again. Wash away the pain. Roots of faith and love remain. Bless the sun and rain. Me stand tall in a Zion song, where I belong. Deep roots, soul true, storm and fire. Carry me higher. When the wind blow, me stay strong. Roots keep me long. From generation to generation. Same foundation. Roots of the dawn, rise again. Break the chain of men. From the soil comes strength anew. Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let your power flow. When the night come, creep again. Me call your name. Roots of the dawn forever grow. Me soul know. Me take one step closer today. Jah guide me way through the storm and heavy rain. Still me chant refrain. Me been through trials, me been through fight, but never lose the sight. Jah wisdom let me roll, lift me heavy load. Every scar become a sign of Jah design. Me walk with purpose strong. Me sing my righteous song. Me see the people search for peace. Them soul want release. Me tell them hold on tight. Just soon make all things right. Faith like fire, love like rain. Wash away the pain. No man can dim me flame. Me call your name. One step closer now. Just show me how. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. Me see the mountain high, but me spirit fly. No obstacle too tall, just an overall. Me chant for you, me chant for truth. Bless the wisdom of the youth. Me feel the drum beat in my soul. Rasta reach the goal, every chant, every cry. Lift me high, the journey long but Jah near. No more fear. Me give thanks. No fear in the wrong, so one step closer now. Just show me how. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. So when the road get rough and wide, keep Jah inside. Every step me take through, Jah carry me through. Yeah. Aye, aye, aye. Jah bless all the people and the world, yeah, man. Morning light break through the cloud. Jah call me name out loud. No matter how the night was long, me rise and sing me song. Me fall, me stumble, me cry, but still me try. Jah pick me up when me low, teach me love to grow. Every scar become a flame, Jah rewrite my name. No fear, no shame, me rise again. Me see the storm pass by, Jah dry me eye. The struggle shape me strong, me know where me belong. Me give thanks for every pain. It bring the rain from the seed of sorrow bloom. New life consume, yeah. Rise again, my people rise. Lift your heart to the skies. Jah light never fade. New world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Jah love conquer all. Every dawn begin. Me rise again. Me look on the crowd unite. Me see the future bright. Every youth hold faith. Never too late. The fire in my soul make me whole. Me chant for the broken words unspoken. Me plant the hope deep in the ground. Love all around. Jah teach we how to mend till the very end. From the ashes grow, blessings overflow. Jah never leave we side. Faith be the guide.